Science has discovered that skipping a single night of sleep triggers a biological countdown that changes how your brain perceives reality. This hidden process is a destructive chemical cascade that activates the exact minute you miss your standard bedtime. We are going to track this breakdown on a chronological ticking clock, measuring exactly how your body begins to disassemble itself. If this clock reaches the end of the timeline, your brain resorts to a desperate final measure: biological self-mutilation. Sleep deprivation is an active, escalating cycle of biological self-destruction. At 24 hours of wakefulness, we hit the first stage of failure: severe cognitive impairment. This is caused by adenosine. As you stay awake, this chemical accumulates until it physically blocks your neural pathways. This molecular traffic jam forces your brain to process even the most basic information at a fraction of its normal speed. Here's the strange part. Being awake for 24 hours creates the exact same cognitive deficit as a 0.10 blood alcohol content. Driving or working at this 24-hour threshold is statistically identical to operating under the influence. At 48 hours, the damage spreads from brain fog into a measurable breakdown of your immune system and autonomic control. Your immune system crashes, losing its ability to manufacture the cells needed to fight pathogens. This is when sensory misfires begin. Your brain starts misinterpreting normal shadows and sounds around you. Then come the microsleeps. This is a violent defense mechanism where your brain forces the body offline for fractions of a second without any warning. By hour 48, your brain is no longer a willing participant. It is trying to shut you down to guarantee survival. Crossing the 72-hour threshold pushes your mind into a state where it loses its grip on reality. Extreme fatigue evolves into full-blown visual and auditory hallucinations. Your amygdala, the brain's fear center, spikes erratically, while the logic processing in your prefrontal cortex flatlines. This data imbalance makes you perceive completely neutral stimuli, like a friend's face, as a mortal threat. By day 3, you are locked in a waking nightmare. Now we reach the final, desperate biological defense that occurs when your brain is denied the ability to clean itself through sleep. It is called phagocytosis. This is a process where the brain's internal cleanup crew goes into an uncontrollable overdrive. To clear out the toxic buildup, the brain literally begins to consume its own synapses and healthy cells. Here's the twist. Your brain is eating itself just to keep you functional. Science is stranger than fiction. Your brain is doing this right now if you aren't resting. How many of your own cells did you lose today? Follow for more impossible facts.